happy town. Let's learn 26 amazing good habits. Come with me. Let's make Happy Town better. A is for ask politely. Always use good manners. Let's find the next good habit. B is for brush your teeth. Brush every morning and night. Let's find the next good habit. C is for clean up. Keep your room tidy. Let's find the next good habit. D is for drink water. Stay healthy. Let's find the next good habit. E is for exercise. Move your body every day. Let's find the next good habit. F is for fruit time. Healthy food is good for you. Let's find the next good habit. G is for greet friends. Always say hello. Let's find the next good habit. H is for help others. Helping is caring. Let's find the next good habit. I is for include everyone. Be kind to all. Let's find the next good habit. J is for jump and play. Have fun outdoors. Let's find the next good habit. K is for keep things organized. Everything has its place. Let's find the next good habit. L is for listen carefully. Listening helps us learn. Let's find the next good habit. M is for make your bed. Start your day the right way. N is for never litter. Keep our world clean. Let's find the next good habit. O is for obey safety rules. Safety comes first. Let's find the next good habit. P is for pick up your toys. Let's find the next good habit. Q is for quiet reading. Books are amazing. Let's find the next good habit. R is for recycling. Help protect our planet. Let's find the next good habit. S is for share. Sharing is caring. Let's find the next good habit. T is for tell the truth. Always be honest. Let's find the next good habit. U is for use kind words. Kind words make everyone happy. Let's find the next good habit. V is for visiting grandparents. Family time is special. Let's find the next good habit. W is for wash your hands. Stay clean and healthy. Let's find the next good habit. X is for extra care for nature. Love and protect our earth. Let's find the next good habit. Y is for yoga. Stretch and stay healthy. Let's find the next good habit. Z is for zip your bag. Be prepared for school. We found all the good habits. Wow! We learned 26 amazing good habits! Great job! Which good habit do you follow every day?
Yo!
Tell us in the comments below.
Yo!
And subscribe to WonderToon Kids.